In this episode, we installed fender holders to hold our fenders while we're underway. We ordered a set of fender holders from Amazon just to see how they would work. They hold 2 fenders at a time. This way we won't have to just lay the fenders on the deck as we're progressing through the water, or just untie them completely and have to retie them back.
Screw on the back side of it. That's the part where the other one's going to fall out. Yeah, I mean the nut. Got to screw the nut.
What are we doing here, Tony?
We're going to bolt this to the stanchion, and hopefully
Did you try the thing in it?
we're going to be able to get our fenders in there.
Did you try the fender in it to see
I
if it
haven't.
fits?
I'm going to in just a second. I'm just going to see how this is going. It should fit. The other one was too big. The fender just kind of fell through. Really couldn't tell until they got it on there. The nuts don't fall out. Yeah, so the way this thing's supposed to work is once we get it on there, the fender, let's see if I can get this right. I think it's the right size. It goes through here. Yep, perfect.
Like it.
The way these work are they mount to a stanchion, and then once you get them mounted, you can fold them up or fold them down so that they're out of the way so you can walk past them. They also have the mounts are able to have different angles, so you can turn them and get them at the exact angle you need for that stanchion in case the stanchion is at an angle itself. Then when you mount it on the top, then you have to figure out exactly where the bottom one goes so that they'll actually fold down all the way, and also that they're able to be horizontal so that they'll look right.
And you will need to get up to the front sometime.
Yeah, just the angle.
Well, I mean, you might have to come up here and fold the sail and stuff.
You better not. That's a good line. Look at that. Huh? What you thinking now? So this one, see, should slide down. I got it really in it. There it goes. So this one should slide down. We should be able to do this. Yeah, I think it's supposed to like that. And then this one's it should be able to go. That way you don't have to take them off every time and fiddle with them and lay them where you have to walk. You can still walk by, can't you? I mean, still get some.
Yeah.
Because you're going to grab right there anyway. So. Yeah. I think that's going to be good. What do you think? Rather than having to untie them and take them off every day. And then when you get ready to go, all you got to do is just take them back out.
we decided to install another set of fender holders towards the aft end of the boat, towards the stern, so we could store those fenders when we were underway.
Flop off of it. All right, hold on.
Is that gonna work?
Just hold it. If we were there, will it go down now? Let me watch my fingers. Maybe that's what we need to do. Is okay, let it all the way down. That's what we need to do. Yeah. There you go. All right, now hold it. All right, now see how far it falls down. Yeah, that's gonna be. Yeah, that's okay if it don't go all the way down. That's fine.
Now, does she need to move that fender right there, or you gonna leave it right there?
Well, it comes off. It's not permanent. Wait a minute. I don't know what you're talking about exactly. Let's see if we can get this screwed in. That screw not even there. All right, let it down. Okay, so I've had this heating problem with the engine. Can't quite figure out what's going on here. But now I think it might be the heat exchangers leaking. Leaks the antifreeze out,